Take one. We're here today with Sari, who is our mastermind behind our excipient bases. And what would you say is essential when developing a base and when having a base on the market that pharmacies can use?
I think that's a very easy way to give an exact dose for dogs and cats, and I think as you can see here, it's a really delicious base, so no problems.
Yes, and our excipient bases, as we know, they are GMP manufactured, and that makes a huge difference because they are essentially manufactured like drug products are made, so very high quality goes into the product. So what's your thinking there? Why do you think it's important also for pharmacies?
Well, I think the very important thing is that it's the quality is same from batch to batch, so we can trust that always there is a good quality when it's made.
Yeah, that's correct. I think also that this very standardized and rigorous process that we follow with the like one does in the pharmaceutical industry is followed with our excipient bases as well.
Yeah.
So this is why we also.
And it's a validated process, so we know that.
Yes.
We can trust that.
Yeah, we analyze all the in the process we analyze all the raw materials according to pharmacopoeial specifications, and then also of course we have release tests that we don't release a product if it doesn't fulfill the criteria set for this product, and the customers can of course then trust that the quality is there, and this is what we hear from the field as well and from our customers. This is exceptional because sometimes with some other excipient bases that rigorous process is not in the background, so we're really happy about having this type of product from CurifyLabs on the market. And the CuraBlend base, let's talk about that one. We saw that Oona, our star here today, she was really eager to get some. Maybe she wants one more actually. Should we try it? Maybe it's my turn to try. By the way, this is our new blister pack that was launched very recently, and it protects the final product in the best possible way. And how you use it is the formulation of the drug tablets are inside a cup, and you take that tablet out of there with a small scooping maneuver, and then let's see. Oh, you want one? Sit. Oh, that was good. Good. Oh, delicious. Beef flavored CuraBlend or CuraBlend Vet base. That's our newest product on the market. So we're really happy to launch this and get our pharmacies that also cater for the pets and vet patients. We're really happy to launch this product on the market. It is artificial beef flavored, so it is actually has shown to be a very good flavor because we performed a palatability study with cats and dogs, and we will also soon publish these results. But roughly more than 85% of the dogs and more than 75% of the cats liked this flavor, so that's very good results for any type of veterinary product. Yes, well, we can discuss it a little bit about it, but Sari has been with the company since day one, basically 2021 when we started, and you have put a lot of effort into developing a broad range of bases. We have this is something what we wanted. We wanted to, of course, serve different patient groups. So we have suitable bases for the pediatric population, but across the board to all patient groups. They are easy to administer, easy to. They are, or patient adhere to the treatments nicely. We have some results on that as well because typically these melt in the mouth. The oral bases, and Is there something that you would like to add regarding the bases in general?
Yeah, normally we also check that all excipients, they are safe for pediatric patients and also for animal patients. And well, of course we try to have very, but they are nice to take, they are delicious or tasty.
Yeah, and so we have some flavors in the bases, the oral bases, but then customers can also add additional flavors to the bases very easily. So it doesn't, even if they are already pre-flavored, you can add the typical flavors that pharmacists use. Then we, of course, have the suppository base, and that has superior quality to other bases. We have optimized the settling behavior or segregation in the base, so that has been welcomed by the market as well, and all the pharmacies that are using it. So that's, I think, one special one. And soon to come is the oral dispersible film base, which is of course very nice as well. And I think maybe we could have one smaller patient here now from the human side, and let's see how that is received. Agnes, do you want to taste one of these candies? Well, it's not a candy, it's an oral dispersible film, but you can taste this one. Oh, look at that. Very good.
Agnes, mitä?
10, okay, bra. Yes. That was good. How about the CuraBlend gel tablet? Of course, we're now testing a little bit different dosage forms here. So this is the gel tablet, and Agnes can taste this one as well. Once again, these blister packs are really easy to open, and then you scoop out the tablets, and here you go. And there, this is the gel tablet base, which was initially designed for pediatric patients and dysphagia patients. So it melts, starts to melt in the mouth. It's a really nice mouthfeel. Very good. Done. So apparently the jury's verdict is pretty good. But yes, very good point that we have all these documentation behind, or quality documentation exists for all of the bases, not only for the pharmaceutical quality, but also from the point of view that we have listed all the components, and there is documentation available about the safety limits of each individual excipient in the base, so and customers will have access to these documents, so they can then work together with the prescribers to check that if there will be, in some cases, any allergens for a specific patient. We have of course chosen the excipients also from that point of view, that there will be minimal adverse occurrences to patients. So very common pharmaceutical excipients. Yes, that's a very good question. We have worked with sustained release formulations lately, and we have in our formulation library already examples of sustained release formulations. So in that case, you use our existing excipient blends, and then we recommend to add a suitable polymer that gives that sustained release effect. For instance, one of the prime examples is progesterone tablets that many of our customers use. That's the beauty of the technology, of course, as well, that we can combine tablets when it's it's feasible and when it's meaningful for the treatment. So we have a few examples in our library at the moment. For instance, isoniazid rifampicin for tuberculosis treatments, and then we have worked with customers with thyroid treatments, T3-4 treatments, and those are very elegant to make with this type of technology, because you first make one of the, or deposit one of the tablets, and then on top of that, the other one. So I think that's also very interesting. Yes, we have launched fairly recently a software feature called CurifyLabs Create, which allows the pharmacist to experiment with the formulations and APIs. So then you choose a base, you choose the API in question, or even several if you want, and then you optimize, the software guides you to optimize those settings in the software, and then you can create your own in a very quick manner. Then of course, like with the other formulations in our library, we have the quality documentation backing them up with stability results and dissolution profiles and so on. But then of course, the pharmacist takes responsibility of that formulation, and they can work with, for instance, beyond use dates, which are the longest possible for our water-free bases, for instance. Thank you so much for joining us this Saturday, rainy Saturday here in Helsinki. Hopefully we get some sun soon. Thank you.